Hi everyone, this is a short tutorial for mobile timesheets. Here I am demonstrating on an iPhone, however the process is virtually identical on Android or any other smartphone. Your job assignments will come through as normal through text message. Once you've confirmed your job for tomorrow, what will follow later on is an additional message in the form of a website link. Click this and this should open your internet browser on your phone. Here we have the familiar timesheet displayed. Let's start at the top. This has pre-filled information pertaining to your job, like your name, the client's name, the site contact, the address, and your start time. This information cannot be changed. If the client requires you to move to additional locations, you may enter them on the space provided, such as location number 2. If you were provided a 30-minute unpaid lunch break, you may check the box. If your start time needs to be changed, you may adjust this as well. Enter your actual finish time here in 4-digit military time. If the client wishes to enter their name, they can enter it here as well as their phone number. You may now get the client to sign with their finger. If a correction is required, they can clear the signature and re-sign. Now press Save and Submit, and your timesheet has now successfully been submitted. If any extra notes are necessary, you can type in the box below and save note. You and the client will receive an email copy. Let's take a look. As you can see, all the pertinent information has been recorded for your copy and been sent to accounting. Thank you for listening. If you have any additional questions regarding your timesheet, you can contact your dispatch, and for additional information, you may contact UG Cares.